Welcome to Feng-GUI dashboard. In the previous tutorial, we uploaded a web page image and defined few analysis options and created some areas of interests and clicked Analyze. And now, when the analysis is over, the reports are loaded in the dashboard. Let's go over the reports. The first report is the original image. The next one is the Attention Heatmap report. The Attention Heatmap report displays the most attractive elements of the image for viewers in the form of hot and cold spots, creating so-called heat map. The report is displayed as a color gradient overlay on the original image. The heat map highlights areas likely to receive attention within the first few seconds. Use the heat map report to visualize which elements attract more attention than others. The opacity map report tones down information that is not attractive and visually displays what your viewers may perceive during the first few seconds of visual inspection. Use the opacity report to emphasize which areas are being perceived and which are being ignored. The gaze plot report visualizes the scan paths and order between elements inside the image. It displays movement sequence, order, and duration of gaze fixation. The report is made of a series of short stops, also called fixations, and fast movements of an eye, also called saccades. Use the gaze plot report to visually demonstrate fixations, order, and gaze paths. The Areas of Interest report reveals a score of the predicted probability that a person will look at the area, along with detailed diagnostics to show why this region is likely to get attention. You can get more details about this area at the table below. Here are the areas of interests that we've created, and their visibility score, and additional information which also appears in traditional eye tracking, such as time to first fixation and fixation length. We've also added details about the ingredients of the visibility score and the visual primitives that combines these scores. These are powerful insights because these values helps to understand how to improve or how to reduce the attention towards this area. For example, the tagline here has only 11% of intensity. If we will increase the intensity, we will eventually improve the visibility score of this area. Another use of the Areas of Interests report is to compare design variations by comparing the visibility scores of the same area in different designs. The Aesthetics report enables you to examine the emotional aspects of aesthetics. Based on large-scale studies with millions ratings of visual appeal collected from nearly 10,000 participants, we developed computational models that accurately measure the perceived visual complexity and excitingness. More information about the analysis reports, how to interpret and improve the results, may be found in the online help and documentation pages.